welcome back. I woke up this morning to a beautiful morning. It's nice and cool still, so I thought it'd be a great day to get out and do a bike ride and bring you guys with me. So let me go ahead and show you guys the electric bike that I'm riding today. This is the DYU King 750. So yeah, let me share with you some of the things and show you a little bit more about this bike before I start riding it. Let me start off by giving you guys a view of what the handlebars look like. You do have some rubber grips. They have some texture on them, so it'll make it easy when I'm riding. You have your front and back disc brakes. They are Shimano disc brakes. You have a control panel right here, which will turn your bike on. Let me hold and press the power button. It gets the LCD display on. You have a plus and minus to be able to change between the pedal assist. On your LCD display, you're going to be able to know how fast you're going. You have a battery life, your overall trip, the odometer, your speed, and then you also have where your pedal assist level's at, a 7-speed Shimano shifter, and then a half twist throttle. Moving to the front of the bike, you can tell that it does have the fat tires. They are 26-inch, which is going to give me the versatility to ride just on all kinds of terrain. It does have a headlight on it. Let me go ahead and press the plus button to turn it on so you guys can see what it looks like. It might not be able to be very visible because it is daylight right now. You have the front shocks. And then for the battery, you do get an LG battery, and I like that it's all integrated into the frame. You can tell the cables are nicely wrapped, so they're nice and streamlined, and then they just go within the bike itself, making it really sleek looking. For your seat, you do have an ergonomic cushion seat. Your bike does come with a 750 motor on it. So yeah, just a couple of the features before I head off and start riding, and then as I'm riding, I'll definitely tell you more about the bike. So let's go ahead and get started. This 48 volt 20 amp hour LG battery is going to take between 6 and 7 hours to charge. Once it's fully charged though, when you're in throttle mode, you're going to have a range of 47 to 53 miles, and in pedal assist mode, you're going to have a range of, going downhill, 60 to 80 miles. Your range does vary based upon a couple things, such as your riding terrain, if you're on flat surfaces, or if you're on hilly areas, or if you're going up and down bumps. Overall rider weight also can impact your riding range. This King 750 does have 3 different pedal assist levels. Your maximum speed, if you are using full throttle and in pedal assist 3, is 28 miles per hour. I turned the camera around so I can show you guys my amazing view that I have while I'm out here riding these electric bikes. It is so pretty. It's definitely peaceful and tranquil for me. Fat tires are definitely making it easy for me to go over this bumpy, rocky road. And I'm still getting a really comfortable ride while it's bumpy even. can help keep track and, you know, sense where you're at and how you're riding the bike. In addition to that, you also have the availability to turn on and off cruise control, which makes it really nice when you're on those stretches that you just can kick it into cruise control and go. Such a great morning to be out riding. This King 750 does weigh 97 pounds, so it is definitely a sturdy bike, and it is recommended rider height of 5'3" to 6'4". This bike is designed to be able to ride in temperatures as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit and in temperatures as hot as 113 degrees Fahrenheit. You have a hill capacity to be able to ride up a 15-degree hill. As I'm going up this hill, no problem with this motor. What a great ride. I want to thank DYU for sending me this King 750 for me to share with you guys and take it out riding today. There will be a direct link in the description of this video for you to go to their website and check out this bike, see what other products they have to offer. I definitely want to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, have fun and stay safe.